Welcome to this experiment where I'm going to place tea lights in the oven for 40 minutes. I think I'll call this experiment Firestorm. For this experiment you need a baking tray, baking paper, some heat resistant gloves, of course some tea lights, and a bucket of water just for safety reasons. Actually, I'm thinking the water isn't safety enough, so I'm going to also add a fire extinguisher. First I'm going to place the baking paper on the baking tray. Then I'm going to add some tea lights. I will just place them in a randomly order. Shouldn't have any effect on the results of the experiment. And you can also see that I'm using both the white, pink and yellow tea lights. Feel free to use any color you want. Let's put the baking tray into the oven and quickly close the oven door. I will have the camera filming into the oven the entire time so that we closely can monitor the progress going on inside. Okay, the tea lights have now been in the oven for more than 40 minutes. From the outside it doesn't really look like anything has changed, but let's remove the tea lights from the oven to take a closer look. If you're trying this at home, please remember to use the heat resistant gloves. Okay, let's take a closer look. Well, after analyzing the tea lights, I think my conclusion will be that putting tea lights into the oven doesn't necessarily have any effect. Might be that the result has turned out differently had I added some more temperature. Thank you all for spending your valuable time watching this video. Bye bye.